Big homie Smuda from the Hustlers Corner. I just want to congratulate the Township Entrepreneurs Alliance, the winner. First up, for me, the winner that I just recognized, who's got amazing products, is a lady called Tosh. She's got cleaning detergents that I own, and she uses like organic products to create her own products. And I just want to big her up because she's one of many other entrepreneurs out there that are making a difference in the country, especially female entrepreneurs. We're so proud of you, our sisters out there. Guys, let's up our professionalism. Let's up everything when it comes to standard and excellence in our businesses. Let us not be small businesses anymore. Let's see ourselves as big businesses, because what we're doing, one day we're going to become big. And for us to become big, let's start seeing ourselves as big. That's the first thing that I'd like to say. And then the second thing is just to say, I'm very proud of the founders of TEA. I'm very proud of everybody, the entire team, even the camera crew, people that are creating the content, people that are putting it together, the ushers, and just the board, and just people who lead, and the sponsors. Thank you so much, Nedbank, for putting money and putting your money where your mouth is in supporting small businesses in the township. Small businesses are the future, and just like what I said, guys, let's stop calling ourselves small, because you become what you say you are. Mina, I no longer see myself as a small business. I've been saying it to you guys that for many years that what we're building is gonna live on way for many years longer than longer than any of us here. Like I just think of even my own brand, Mofaya. People are gonna see it in the street corners many years after I've died. And that's how it should be. We should build businesses that get to outlive us. We should make an impact in our communities. We should give back. And that's why I love what TEA is doing, because they didn't take all of these amazing, incredible deeds to Kobodi Tropo, Kobo Masantin. They brought this to the hood. And when they bring it to the hood, they're bringing it to us to inspire us to make a difference in our communities so we can create employment out there. So shout outs to all the hustlers, shout outs to all the business owners and the entrepreneurs, shout outs to TEA, and big up to all the sponsors. Thank you very much. I wish you guys all of the best. God bless.